Hey, it's Tom and I work for myamazonguy.com. Today I wanted to go over some of the new UI changes we are seeing on Amazon advertising. So this feature I'm about to cover is only for product targeting campaigns only. So to get to this page you're seeing right here is you just go to your product targeting campaign, go down to the ad group level, and then just head over to the search terms tab. This is the page you should see right here. So what you see here are products that have been typed in by customers on Amazon, and this is a great update because now we see a preview of the product itself and the preview of the product's name. Whereas before it was just a list of information or data that Amazon have dumped. So before it would just be a list of ASINs without any additional information. So it kind of makes it hard to tell what product you're placing bids on unless you actually type or copy the ASINs and then just go on Amazon and look for that product. So I actually wanted to share another Amazon update on the same topic. So we can actually now negate products that you don't want to bid for. So this is extremely useful when you're targeting product categories. So this list right here. So we are actually targeting the product category for hair regrowth shampoos. So this ASIN, for example, we spent about $5.26, and maybe we decide that this is not a product that we want to continue spending on, and we want to make sure that we don't continue spending on this. So we would just copy the ASIN you see right here. So this is the ASIN. So once you copy the ASIN, just go ahead and click on negative targeting. So I already have this open. Once you get to negative targeting, you see this page right here, and click on add negative product targets. So if you wanted to, you can go ahead and include a brand. So this is more for keywords and not ASINs. But what we're focusing on today is the actual product. So you see this tab right here. This is exclude products. I've actually inserted another one before, so I actually put this one right here ready. So the one we just copied, I'm just going to go ahead and paste that right here, and just go ahead and exclude that. So the steps we did just now, so that actually will make sure that we don't continue to spend money on something that hasn't converted well for our products that we're advertising for. Okay, so I think that covers it. So if you guys need any help with ad management, you can just contact us at myamazonguy.com. Thank you.